Hi guys! At April 23, manifesting, sana makauwi na ng Pinas!
Cabin crew refueling complete.
I'm going home. See you in the Philippines.
Sabihin mo. Guys, nasa bahay na ako.
This is our house. It's night, so I cannot see anything, but ice candy for sale. Nagbebenta ng ice candy yung nanay ko.
What the This is my house, guys. Can you see it? My room! Mami! Nasa bahay ako! Nasa Pinas ako! Mami, nasa Pinas ako! Nasa Pinas ako, guys. Mainit nga lang, pero nasa Pinas ako. Yung CR! Yung ref! I have you, Gaan mo lang. Oh my God, yung picture ko! Unang punta ko. May butik eh. May butik eh sa unan ko.
April 23, 2025. I'm in the Philippines. Wow! I'm in my room. My simple, nostalgic room. Sometimes I'm just forgetting to thank myself. The one that is my biggest achievement. I wasn't 17 yet, but definitely I said to my birthday video for my 17-year-old, the thing that I will accomplish before I turn 17 is to buy my first laptop. You're already sitting on this bed that I was saying it before. I'm so proud. I brought this March 8, but still from that moment, I haven't even got the chance to thank myself yet. Definitely I learned a lot in Taiwan. And I'm still going there, still learning things. I've already achieved one thing in my life that I feel so proud of. I thought I was stuck. I wasn't doing anything in my life. Not until I bought my first laptop. And it just made me trust myself even more. Right now, I can build, I can upgrade my personal brand more. I can be connected to you more, guys, because I can actually edit videos already in my laptop and not just doing any like little segment edit videos. I remember having like funny skits with my phone and I'm just putting it on a story.
It ng Great Wall of China. Hanggang dito lang, no? Hanggang...
Guys, we are so exclusive. Tingnan nyo, VIP kami. Diba? Andito kami sa yung pinakamagandang bahay dito sa school. Hindi na lang kami air. Tingnan nyo, may aircon. Look at us. We are just here alone. Diba? This is a lifetime experience for us.
I just wanted to express my creative mind, my creative soul into something. I even built a Facebook page and I record some songs. That's my guitar. Still there. First ulam ko. Munggo. Tilapia. Gusto ko na lang sa Pinas. Mamaya magkikita kami ng dalawa kong friend. Si Abram at si Sam.
A few moments later. Hi! Nag-upgrade na ako, di na ako nakabike.
Ganda na ng motor mo. Hindi ako makasiga. Takot ako.
Kailangan yan, may nararamdaman akong kotse.
Hindi
Naninibago ako. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng tricycle. Nung una ako nakakita ng jeep sa Manila, gulat ako. Guys, my first day in the Philippines. Hello! Excited na ako makita si Sam.
Nasaan ba?
I don't know.
Ay, nandun pa. Ayun.
Ay, ang nonchalant. Ay, nonchalant lang siya. Ay. Ano? Nonchalant ka pa din. Yay! I'm so happy, guys. Nasa Pinas tayo. Anong reaction mo?
Ha?
Nasa Pinas ako.
Wala.
Nonchalant.
Oy!
Di ko naman pinipindot.
Pinipindot ko, nag-vibrate nga eh.
Sabi ko, excuse me, di ka natabi.
Ay, ito ba?
Bumili kami ng mga pasalubong sa...
Guys, naka-Jollibee. Let's eat Jolly Hotdog, guys. Isa to sa mga favorite ko sa Jollibee. Ayan, natin ganyan yun.
I think don't my
The moment of truth. Oh my gosh, unang kagat pa lang alam kong mamimiss ko na. I love it.
Pupunta kayo ng Philippines, always consider to buy Jollibee. Hindi kompleto yung Philippine travel nyo, hindi kayo kakain ng Jollibee.
Tomorrow.
Guys, babay muna tayo sa Cavite. Babay muna sa bahay. Punta kami ng... First time ko na lang ulit sumakay sa tricycle. My mother, say hi. Hindi kompleto ang Pinas mo hanggat hindi ka nakakasakay sa tricycle. At sa jeep. Nakasakay na ako sa baby bus. Siyempre, kakainin mo. Baby bus is always in Cavite, guys. Commute lang kami, magbabas kami pa po. Guys, ang init, super. Ang init sa Pinas. See you in Mindoro. What you say? What you say?
init.
We watch dolphins.
Ano masasabi mo? Sino kikitain mo sa Mindoyo? Sino ka ba?
Yes.
Mama?
Yes.
Sino ka?
I forgot.
Ha?
Forgot.
May kita yet?
Yes. Dami ah.
May phone niya. Ikaw muna mag-vlog. We're going to Mindoro.
Where's the 50? Di ba sa dito?
Hindi pa gising si Titi.
Wow! I will see a blue bus over there.
Where's Mindoro?
Baby, yayu pa siya.
Layo-layo.
2 hours later.
Enjoy natin. Oh, it's very nature-like. Ito yung favorite part kasi sa Playa. Ito yung mga bundok. Kaya lang may uwi ko ng Mindoro, June, di ba?
Yes, ang dami.
July, August,
Yes,
September, October,
yes.
November,
Ang
February.
dami sakay dito, this bus.
9 months, guys. Hindi ko din kinayang isang taon. Gusto kong pumunta sa ibang bansa, guys. Kasi mag-18 na ako next year. Sama ka ba?
Ha?
Punta sa ibang bansa? Kaya, guys, isa din to sa ginagawa ko. Like, sana ma-maintain ko na.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. It's very Mindoro-like. Isa din to sa foundation natin. Para, you know, sa next travel destination natin, guys. Para guys, sa next travel destination natin.
Tita,
O, diba?
pakama.
Tayong tatlo patid, pero ibang lugar na. Ay, guys, support nyo tong vlog na to. Madami pa tayong mapupunta. Marami pa tayong journey together. Okay? Hindi pa rin talaga nawawala yung soul, heart ko sa pag-vlog. Wala lang talaga akong camera. Is donate na kayong camera. Hindi ko rin kayo mabackkam, kaya lagi tayong naka-front camera, guys.
Kapait budget natin next time, hindi na ganito. Nakakapanibago, iba yung feel kapag galing ka sa ibang bansa. Umuwi ka pero may mga bago kang experience talaga. Ang pinaka nakakapanibago lang talagang feeling, lalo na nung pagka-uwi mo ng airport is wala kang maririnig na kahit isang magsasalita ng Chinese. Lalo na nung bumili ako sa Alpha Mart. Hindi Chinese yung cashier. Nag-enjoy kami nitong dalawang tayo.
Naka-on ba yung data?
This is what I'm talking about when it's Indoro, guys. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. I don't like chocolate. Why do you always like chocolate?
Give me energy.
Give you energy? Ah, galing na. Galing na dahil na. Pwede ka na doktor.
Wait.
May mga scientific reason ka na eh. But yun guys, I'll see you guys in San Jose. Guys! Nasa San Jose na tayo. Mamaya makikita na natin sila. I'm so excited. Nagigigil ako sa sobrang excited. Gusto kong katokin yun. Excited ako umuwi ng bahay kasi pagod na ako at masakit yung pusod ko. Naiiyak ako.
You know me? Yung ate Ayesha?
May guide ka doon, ginawa namin.
May bike ako dun. Kinuha niya. Appear na lang tayo. Sige, sige. Next is, content tayo sa website. Nakita ko yung love of my life ko. You still know me? Kilala mo pa ako? May mga bago ka ng friends? Hey, this is my Greya. Shoo. Kami muna. Moment namin tong dalawa. Hi! Parang unbothered ka pa din. Ilang balik na ako dito. Amoy isda? Hi! Na-meet na kita dati, pero ayoko sa'yo dati. Pero baka magustuhan din kita. Hi, Pepper! Eh di wag. Ang sungit nga. Sabi niya, nagapang-agaw yan ang pagkakas.
6.5 hours later.
Life update na sa Mindoro. It's been a lot. Hinihintay ko si Tipia kasi siya na lang hindi ko. I don't know what to do next. I feel like I'm so stuck right now. Should I enjoy my vacation or should I do something to work or what? I'm in the middle of I don't know what to do. Ito yung room ko dati simula pagkabata. Siyempre, nag-upgrade na siya. Iba na yung itsura. But, yeah, I'm in the room where I was born. Sa bahay lang ako pinanganak, guys. This is my rush when it comes to my life. This is really like how you see a moody achiever. Even if she's still on vacation, she's still thinking about, oh my gosh, I should do this, I should do that. My reviews, my work, my career, my part-time jobs. At kaya ganito talaga yung buhay ng mga katulad ko. Andito na si Ate Pia. Tumatago ako. Please, share dito. Tumatago din si Ate Pia. Uy, kadaya! Asan si Ate Pia? Asan si Ate Pia? Naging taguan ako ni Ate Pia. Asan si Ate Pia?
Nagtaguan. Tago ka pa ha? Kalo ko man ako magatago oh.
Baka nag-akit dito? Ha? Tawagan ko. Hi! This is Pepper. May mga bago kaming pusa. Hi, Pepper! Masungit yan. Ito yung masungit na ewan. O, tingnan mo. Ayaw mo sa akin. Asan yung love of my life ko? Yung pinakamahal ko talagang pusa sa buong buhay ko. Grade 2 pa lang kami. Buhay na to. Mag-grade 12 lang kami ngayon. 10 years na siya. Hoy! Taga dito. Oh! Tanda mo na ah.
Hi guys.
Magkakasama na kami.
This is her. This is her. And this is me.
At trio, guys.
Trainer.
Naalala mo pa ba yung vlog namin na kami yung nag-unboxing nung cup na kala natin binibake, tapos candy lang pala yung laman? Wala, di ka kasali doon.
Ano kasi tawag dito? Saan siya noon?
Ewan ko.
Sa may pinag-makeupan kay Linje.
Ay, oo. Alam mo, nalalaman lang ng mga tao dito na umuwi na ako pag nagmamay day tong dala.
Yeah, ba?
Para kung timang, ano ba naman? Ito na talaga yung last natin pagkikita. Na, hindi yung bago tayo maging adult. Kasi pag next nakita namin, ano na kami? Tao na kami.
Totoong tao na kami, guys. Nag-evolve na yung pagkatao namin.
The next day.
Guys, nagsasolicit kami ng pera, tapos naiyak ko. Ano niya po, sa Ilocos, para ng compensation. Nasa munisipyo po kami ng mag-excited. Bakit? Masama bang mag-vlog? Ano ba? Na-document ko nga yung life natin dito. Lalaban kasi ito ng palarong pambansa. Siya kasi yung pambato ng Mindoro. Swimming.
12 seconds later.
Ito yung pinakamalakong tao sa buong mundo.
Yan, saan ka pupunta?
Ay, saan ba? Okay lang yan. Diyos ko, 50 lang eh. Kasi ibang street foods, yung mga, mga cake yan, fishball.
Andyan nga yun. Marami yan.
Magta-try tayo ng guys. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, sige, lalabas kami, basta may 50 siya. Yung 50 niya, halika dito.
Huwag mo na ipakita.
Ipakita ko
Kasi
sa vlog
yan, ipapost mo.
Bakit? Wala lang to, memories lang to. Ay, ano naman, Diyos ko, babaryalaang eh. Tignan mo yung 50 niya.
Huwag ka magulo. Wala yun. Mamayang gabi pa yun.
Eh, wala kalamares? Ayan. Tanongin mo yung kalamares.
Wala nga. Ayan, yung parang calamares.
Malis nga po yan.
Magkano po sa kalamares? 40 na. Magkano po?
3-5 ma'am sa kikiam piso, isa sa fishball.
3-5. Ano 3-5?
3-5 piso. 3 ang kunin mo, 5 piso.
Hoy, tulungan mo ako. Ano? Yung tag 5 ko na fishball.
Baliw,
Tag 5 ko na kikiam. Ay, sorry naman. Hindi na ako marunong eh.
Kumuha ka ng cup. Tapos tanungin mo kung magkano.
Hindi nga, piso nga 5.
Ano piso ka dito? Piso isa tong ito, tapos ito 3-5.
Basta po 5 piraso. 5.
Di yan, piso isa lang yan.
Ayun nga, 5 piraso, 5.
Oo.
Taga saan ka mabi?
Malayo po. Ano ba? Nagbablog ako, wala kang pake. Wow, hindi mo naman niya. Tingnan, lalagay siya ng suka. Wow. Spicy na lang dito. Bakit? Lagyan natin konti spicy. Konti lang. Koreana ka tapos ayaw mo na spicy. Thank you po. Ate, hi ka muna sa vlog. Joke lang. Ang sarap. Ano yun? Calamares. Makain ko yung kway-kway, di masarap. Honest reaction. Sweet lang guys. Naman yung barya-barya niya yung 50. Para lang makaipon siya ng 50 para makasama ako dito.
I looked in my rearview mirror and it seemed to make a lot more sense. My heart is stuck in rubber, traffic, some other pressure 'cause I can't have you the way that I want. Let's just go back to the way it was when we were on honeymoon avenue, baby. Coasting like crazy. Can we go back to the way it was? Hey, what happened to the butterflies?
We're here at the Bukid.
Hello, Philippines.
May 1 na guys. Ilang weeks, ilang days na lang aalis na rin ako ng Pinas.
Ayoko. I-post mo ta ha para makakita nila yung kagandahan ko.
O sige. Si Papa ba yan? Agoy, si Papa. Ayun ang ating kung saan kami nagsimula. Father Love! I'll show you the river guys. Typical na probinsya ng mga ginagawa ng pamilya. Gagathering sa bukid and nagme-merienda.
Guys, eto na.
Yeah? Lahat kami nag-vlog. Mga vlogger kami. Mga vlogger na hindi sumisikat.
Nakaingay mo naman.
Charot! Pwede ba din maligo? Pag naligo tayo dyan, hindi tayo kakainin ng crocodile? Tralala, tralala. Hindi tayo kakainin ng bombardillo, crocodillo. Show you guys. Peaceful life lang dito sa Pinas. Maganda pa rin ang Pinas for me. Favorite mo yun, di ba? Oh, ito waffle mo. Baby, you know how to drive.
Ate, you Peppa Pig.
Okay. And you decided not to wait. Dito maganda maglagay ng sun-kissed na ano.
Profile picture. Tara, maglagay tayo ng blush.
Pahay ka muna sa vlog ko. Ito ang number 1 farmer dito eh. Anong masasabi mo? Meron ka ng mga apong kasama dito sa bukid. Ano ba pa? Nung wala pa ba kami? Hindi pa kami bukid mo na to?
Oo naman.
Tagal mo na pala itong bukid pa?
Tagal na.
Galing nadala mo pa yung mga apo mo sa bukid mo
Siyempre.
Behind the scene, nakabikini na tayo. Hindi tayo makababa, oh. Kapalokbong pa ako kasi ako yung pinaka-sipro dito muna. Paano man ako magababa dyan?
Ano sa vlog mo? Ba't may camera?
Wow, astig. No.
Hold my phone! Ay, hold my phone! Hala, hold my phone! Uy, mama! Tatakot ako. Ay, joke lang po. Sabit. Uy! Oh my God, guys! We're here!
Diyos ko, be. Kitang-kita na yung kaluluwa ko. Diba? Ang ganda. Little ocean. Sarap dito. Liba!
A few inches later.
We're done. Nabidyohan ko yung pababa ko. Bibidyohan ko din yung pataas ko. Nina, muntik na ako maano. Alam mo yung putik dyan? Yung pwedeng malublob ka. Muntik na akong malublob. Guys! Joke lang. I'm an independent woman. Oh, di ba? Nakalabas ako mag-isa.
Naligo kayo?
Hindi, ma. Hi, ma. Dito, dito. Ay, sana naman mag-save na yan, no? Hindi yan mag-save. Hi, guys! Kanina pa kami nagbablog. Kanina. Binigyan kami. 1K.
Bata ka lang sa amin.
Sa night market kami ng San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. What did you buy?
I bought this.
Wow, cutie! Ang daming tao. Wala akong social anxiety. Anti-social ako. Sorry, guys. I don't go along with this kind of setting, guys. Layaan niya ako. Hi, ma. Magkano po to?
Ito yan.
Asa si Pepe? 80 Pepe! Ito po, ma. Magkano po? Naninibago ako. Nakatingin. Dami nakatingin. Ganda na ba ako ganda? Ang hangin. Pulat. Pulat. Yun. Sa mga pulat, I don't like pulat. May term kami sa mga sa mga lalaki. Pulat. So, nakauwi na kami. I enjoyed it. I brought a matcha latte because you know I like matcha latte. Yogurt. Yung yogurt na nilalagyan ng fruits on top. Ikaw mamimili. It's really awesome. And also, Graham bars. Yung ice cream na parang may Graham. Tapos I also brought this thing. I cannot show. Ganyan talaga yung camera ko, guys. Guys, walang talaga pag-asa yung camera ko. Magpipinsan kaming patrio. Powerpuff Girls kami dati. Ako si Blossom, si Juno si Bubble, tapos ate Faye si Buttercup. Bumili kami ng pairings. I had so much fun. See you guys on the next journey of saan tayo mapupunta next. Okay? Bye-bye! Life update. This is my father. San Pablo ako, guys. San Pablo, Laguna. Malaki ditong nakasulat na dala. Okay, let's go. Kung saan na ako napupunta, guys. Daddy, saan to sa San Pablo?
Taana, barangay Tantaan.
Barangay sa Tangan. Hello.
The next day.
Event number 10, swimming in water should be a rescue. Ibang and two, make the
Oh my God, si Alat yan, guys.
Lane 6, Kylie and Rihanna Lopez. Pass
First si Alat, guys. Galing. Kasi swimming ako dati, pero nag-quit na ako kasi matagal na akong umalis sa Mindoro. Hindi na kasi ako nakatira sa Mindoro, guys. Nag-try ako mag-swimming sa Cavite. Hindi ako lumaban, nag-back out. Asa si Miso?
Number 5.
Go, Miso! Si Miso naman, lane number 5. Go, Miso! Go, Miso yan! Go, Waximin! Oh my God, nauna si Miso. Go, Miso! Oh Oh my gosh! First semester, I'm so proud! Ang galing! First semester tsaka si Alat. Galing ah! Grabe, nakaka-proud naman to. May narinig akong pangalan ko. Nagsaswimming siya, lane number 1. Ayun oh. Ito, ayun. Ma'am! Guys, kapangalan ko siya. Tapos siya yung pinakahuli. Oh my God, parang ako lang. Kapangalan ko siya as in like Ayesha Regalado. Dati, may crush akong taga Cavite City. Tapos swimmer din siya. Sana nandito yung crush niya. Charot! Pero what if nandito nga siya? Pag nandito siya, magugulat ako. Kasi may narinig akong Cavite City. So, what if kasama siya? Guys, may Cavite City. Asa-asa lang ako dito. Saan ba si RD? Medyo. Doon? Siya sa ako? Pero guys, kung lumalaban ako ngayon, probably maitim din ako katulad nila. Daddy, gusto ko na ng yogurt. Bibili muna kami ng yogurt, of course. Favorite ko yun. Dito kami sa San Pablo Ultimart. Nahanap namin yung freeze. Ano siya, yogurt na ikaw yung mamimili ng toppings tapos depende siya sa grams. Excited na ako kasi favorite ko yun. Yun talaga yung pinunta ko dito sa Pinas. Charot. Yun! Favorite ko to, promise.
Saan pa namin dito sa San Pablo?
Malagay tayo toppings guys. Okay lang yun. I love it. Hey? Right now, nasa San Pablo ako. So, my dad's side house. Sa Mindoro, mom's side. Before, nasa San Pedro kami. San Pedro, Laguna. Pero ngayon, lumipat sila sa San Pablo. And it's their house. It's really good. It's not my room. It's Ate Isa's room. Just to, give some credit to the good view. Because it's not mine. That time, I didn't really expect that I will plan to go to Philippines. I've already promised myself that I will finish the 3 years, the senior high curriculum there before I go back. I said to myself that I will save money, I will do that. But right now, I still haven't saved any of it. I mean, I did. I already bought a laptop. So I'm really proud of myself when I told the statement, even if I wasn't sure if I will really go back that time. But, I said, manifesting, I will go back to the Philippines at 23. That's it. I said it out loud and it happened. It's not really just about vacation. It's not easy. It's not easy to be there at 16 years old, living independently without family around you, realizing things and surviving in yourself. A lot of them are really helpful, of course. Teacher will guide you, fellow students will accompany you, but deep down, you still feel alone, right? I still feel alone. I have been carrying this quiet sadness in a while. I wasn't feeling myself, but at the same time, I have to perform. I have to smile. I have to keep smiling. I have to give the best out of me, the positive side of me, even if inside I was tired. I was alone. I was lonely. On those phases, since like the day that I stated, up to 9 day, 8 day, 7 day, up to 1 day, basically feeling more and more tired and drained. I don't know why. I think something's draining me. Maybe I'm just like eager to go home. I'll clear evidence that I want to rest. But I refuse to give up. I would not stop my 3 years there. Senior high there, even if a little bit tired. And sometimes I'm running out of money. I have financial difficulties, but it's there. It's all there. It's really all there. You really learn how to survive in your own. Kind of molds you into something that you will be matured more. The way I am used to last year when I'm still living with my family. It's really different compared to now. Nasa train station ako. Kasi nasa part-time ako ng time na yun. Pauwi na kami papuntang sa school kung saan kami tumitira. Breakdown na ako sa train. Kasi nga,
Ayun, hindi ko na kinaya. It's not really about the homesick na gustong-gusto ko nang umuwi and all of that. Pero hindi siya ganun. It's just basically, I'm tired. Nagpa-part-time ako nung time na yan, which is medyo mahirap yung part-time. Para sa akin, mahirap siya kasi nag-work ako sa shabu-shabu. So, naglalagay ako ng mga pagkain sa mga big plates, sa catering, ganyan-ganyan. And then, magbubugas kami ng mabilisan. So, at maglilinis kami ng kitchen. So, mahirap siya for me. And then, time na yan, nagkakasakit ako. Pwedeng mag-form ulit yung pneumonia ko kasi nagkaroon ako ng pneumonia around internship, December 2024. Gumaling naman siya kasi effective naman yung gamot ng Taiwan. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng medication ng Taiwan. I cannot... It's really chef's kiss. So, possible na mabuo ulit dahil ito yung nga lang yung journey ko.
Umuulan. Sinusulong ko yung ulan para sa part-time. Maraming buhay ito. Kasi saan ba kami? Ba't ka na eh? Saan talaga? Hindi mabuhay na muna ka dito. Sobrang lamig ka. Basak-basa na yung cellphone ko. Guys, help me. May sipon na ako. Kita niyo ba yung particles na sa mukha ko? Kitang umuulan talaga.
Alam niyo yung U-bike sa Taiwan, like yung U-bike, magbabike kami ng 30 minutes kasi malayo yung distance from the train station to that shabu-shabu thing. Yun, pagod na, build up, and may exam ako. I was stressed, na nag-leave na parang, nag-quit na lang ako kasi baka hindi ko lalong kayanin, baka magkasakit lang ako. Eh, syempre, health comes first, even though na medyo nakakahiya nga kasi nga nabigyan ka ng part-time ng school. The only thing that is in my mind that time was to see my family. Kino-consider ko na rin yun at the same time, like, what if mag-quit na lang ako? What if hindi ko na ituloy yung scholarship? But you know, you cannot give up. That's the thing, you cannot give up. It is something that you've already started. Hindi naman siya in a harsh way. It's something that you have to consider, of course. So, consider mo yung mga advantage and disadvantages pag nag-quit ka. Really, mas nag-gain yung disadvantage kapag nag-quit ako. Una, uulit ako ng grade 11 sa Pinas. Pangalawa, hindi ako makaka-earn ng pera. So, you have to weigh this advantage and the disadvantage if it's good or not. You always have to consider that before quitting. Sobrang happy ko na ng mga time na yan kasi alam kong pauwi na ako tapos binigyan ako ng chance ni mami na umuwi even though we can't afford it yet. Which is nangutang siya sa credit card for my plane ticket. And that's so motherly thing. Kasi kapag nakikita na ng, especially yung nanay mo, na nahihirapan ka, especially malayo ka sa kanya, of course, iyakan mo lang siya at papayag na siya. Hindi naman sa ganun, pero hindi ka naman umiyak without reason, di ba? Hindi ka napapagod, di ba? Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na, oh my gosh, kaya ko pa to what if hindi na talaga? What if mag-collapse na ako bigla kasi nga, you know? And appreciate that thing. Kapag yung mga mother natin they feel it. They see it. And gagawa sila ng paraan. No matter what, na kahit anong hindrance pa yan. That's what my daughters needs. That's what my child needs. Of course, I have to pay for that sa internship ko. Needed that rest. And I wasn't able to make this video if I didn't. Di ba? Uwi ng Pinas. The main lesson here is to always consider it's okay to be tired and have a rest. Especially kapag nandun ka na sa peak point na you think you're gonna give up. Because maybe giving up is not really our option, but maybe just to rest a bit and have a little reset. Dad!
Oh.
Hi ka naman.
Yeah.
Wala lang, vlog ko lang. Oh, it's bangus. Favorite ko. Wala lang, video lang. Hi ma! Hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hello.
Actually, nag-request talaga ako ng bangus. Sinabi ko, Mary, gusto kong bangus. Ayan, binigay ng tatay ko. Bangus na steam na may kamatis and sibuyas at luya sa loob. Pauwi na ako ng Cavite at nahatid ako ng tatay ko sa stopover kami. At kumakain ng Jollibee! Rice and spaghetti and wow, very trying, very demure. And tuna pie at yogurt, of course, dito mawawala. It's very important to know. So today is May 6 na ngayon. This week, isang week na lang tayo natitira. But you have work. So, binudget ko na yung oras. Ay, nakalaan yung 1 week for work. Nasa ano kami? Eden.
Lagay mo naman kasi sa gitna. Sarap. Okay. One bite. Ano to?
Wow! Grabe, grabe. Anong tawag doon? Try ko din yung lettuce kinela. Pag nagwo-wait, sila yung nagluluto, ako yung nagkakaupo. Buntis siya guys, pero may tuwala siya sa akin. Anong gusto mo? Binigyan kita ng pork, hindi mo naman, ayaw mo naman. Gusto niya lang ng lambing.
Ay, ito kunin mo na to. Kumuha ka mo dyan. Dito na yan.
Hindi ba?
Yung lambing niya yung
Dito na, parang malapit kayo eh. Layo eh. Nahirapan na eh.
Hello guys!
Hi, vlog.
Mary, say hi. Hi! Ilang araw na lang ko dito, mami? Dalawa. Only 2 days na lang dito sa Pinas. Magsisimba kami. It's Saturday today, pero may simba. Nasa bayan kami ng Tanza. Laklak, Flores de Mayo. Dito kami sa church ng Tanza, guys. Sa bayan ng Augustine. St. Augustine Church. Pa-start lang. Abot pa tayo. Umpisa pa lang. Wala pa namang gospel. Let's go.
1 hour later.
Guys, tapos na yung mass. Kakain kami ng pizza. I brought a flowers for my mom. Medyo hindi tayo, kapos tayo sa budget, but at least nagbigay pa din tayo. Kahit cute lang yung pera natin. Kailangan natin magbigay ng appreciation sa mga mothers natin. Di ba? Guys, may nakasama tayong hindi ko makita. Kasama ka lang sa vlog ko, girl. So-surprise na natin si mami ng Ano?
Oo nga na, dalayo nga kasi.
Sige, bye-bye. Dito guys yung nanay ko sa Watson. Guys, ayun si mami. Nakikita ko na si mami. Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day to you. Thank you. Oh, di ba may flowers na siya?
Ito magkano ba to? 1,000 na.
Oh, wala, 1,000. Okay. We're going back to Taiwan. Nababental block na. I don't like it! Ayoko pang umuuna kayo. Ito na yung baggage ko. Mami, ayoko pa. Ayoko pa mo. Yung last ulam ko talaga munggo. Kasi yun talaga yung ni-request ko. First na ulam na kinain ko munggo, di ba? Kasi yung last na ulam ko munggo ulit. Uwi na ako. Ayoko na. Ang ganda na camera ko, be. Ala, parang kala mo naman super.
Ako.
Guys, sobrang supportive nila sa akin. Mami! Bye po na. Sige ba? Sige po. Thank you po. Okay, bye-bye. Opo. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, grabe. Thank you sa effort.
Talaga.
Guys,
Absurdo
we're
rito.
going to Terminal 3. Nasa Skyway na kami. This is it again.
Certified certified balikbayad ka na. Kasi nakalis ka na ng bansa eh. Imagine mo yung achievement mo at your age, nakalis ka ng bansa. Malaking bagay yun
Naiiyak na ako. Ito na yung pa-start ng maiiyak na ako.
Always be strong. Always be strong. Dahil it's for your own good. Darating ang araw na itong moment na to, magiging past na natin to. Let's say after 5 years from now, pag magkikwentuhan tayo, nakaalala mo nung paalis ka, o tignan mo, look at you now, you're very much successful. O kung hindi pa kita inano nun mararating mo ba yung narating mo ngayon? O, mga 5 years from now, mag-uusap tayo ng always cherish the moment.
I'm here na, guys. Nandito na ako. We are at the boarding gate na. And, matcha pa din! Favorite ko pa din, diba? I told you before na obsessed ako sa matcha. Pagbalik ko, laging matcha yung iinom. Medyo smooth yung process namin ngayon. Like, nung nakaraan. Lalo na yung sa immigration. Be, alam mo, pinakita ko lang sa immigration is passport ko. Yun lang. Oh. Sabi niya, anong purpose sa Taiwan? Study. Tapos, nag-isa siya. See you guys. Taiwan. Kanina, medyo naiyak ako. Tapos, wala din. Parang nag-process na din yung utak ko na ganun talaga ang buhay.
May iyak ako, mama, sa aeroplano, I swear.
Umuulan. Pinabalik sila. OMG, what if sign na to? Baka di rin kami makauwi.
A few inches later.
We're going to Taiwan.
We're going to that plane, guys. Medyo nasasanay na ako sa plane, guys. 16-ish.
Naiyak siya. Pero hindi pa ako naiyak
Guys, wag na wag yung gagawin nyo. Masisira buhay niyo.
Look. We have to be strong. When destiny calls you, you must be strong.
So much as we want to go back there in that we can't. Heavy ng feeling, guys, pagpaalit. It's not the viewer. Watch me umiyak. Kahit hindi pa. Nasa loob lang talaga. Sobrang bigat ng feeling ko sa loob.
12 seconds later.
Baby's ko.
We sincerely apologize for the warm cabin temperature. This will be adjusted as soon as the aircraft stops.
Miss ko pa yung guys.
Ang alat ng loob. Ang alat ng loob ako.
Wala to. Paganda to talaga.
Pag umiyak kasi ako non-stop, kaya ayoko umiyak eh. Non-stop ako umiyak. Ulit-ulit to. Ilang rounds.
We're gonna take off. Sabi ni Buti, talabat daw siya. Panoorin niya daw, baby. Itulog siya ngayon. Ano ba naman We're here, guys. Guys, sa ano kami? Sa resident. We're here at Shaysta. Magaguyo ko na.
Why sama?
Welcome back.
Naiyak ako.
Bakit?
Bakit ganun, Arnold?
Hi! Boy, doon ako mo dito. Ako taga-video. True. Ay, tulungan. Basta mainit. Gusto mo na ako.
Nakakaya.
Bakit? Gusto mo
Kasi,
na
reunite na naman yung energy.
True. Alright!
Hi guys, we're here. I realized this truth the moment I stepped back into the Philippines. And again, the moment I returned to Taiwan. Both times, I felt it. The shift. The version of me who left was not the same version who came back. When I returned to the Philippines, I came back carrying experiences that no one else around me had seen me go through. I wasn't the girl who left, right? I came back with stories, with lessons, and with a heavy need to simply rest. That was my agenda, to rest. I got tired of chasing dreams and trying to survive in a foreign place. And for a while, I just needed to breathe, to be around the people who knew me before all the change. But here's the thing, I was scared. I thought that maybe since I've changed, the people I love wouldn't understand me anymore, that we wouldn't click the same way, that maybe they've seen how much I've grown and it would create a distance between us. But what surprised me was this. Even after all the growth, even after all the things that made me different, I was still welcomed. I was still loved. I was still home. And I've come to realize just because our lives don't align anymore doesn't mean the love disappears. We're just on different timelines now. And that's okay. Change isn't something to fear. It doesn't mean you're leaving people behind. Sometimes it just means you're walking your own path and they're walking theirs. And then I returned to Taiwan. Again, I wasn't the same. But this time, I returned stronger, more aware of my purpose, more grounded in my values. The version of me who left Taiwan before that short vacation was overwhelmed, distracted, almost forgetting her core. I was just trying to survive. I had gotten lost in the noise, toxic environments, social distractions, friendships that drained me, moments that dimmed my light. But when I returned, I brought with me the lessons I had remembered in the Philippines, my purpose, my why, my identity. And I realized that no matter how loud the noise gets, I can return to myself. I can protect my energy. I can build boundaries. I can create a life that feels right, even in a place I don't really love. I've been misunderstood, but I'm not broken. I'm stronger now, and I'm ready. So no, you don't always return the same, but sometimes that's the most beautiful part, because the journey changes you, and still you find your way home. You find your way forward. You find yourself again. We're not who we were yesterday. We changed every single day. And if I happen to grow faster than those around me, that's okay. Being misunderstood isn't a loss. It teaches you to trust yourself more, to walk away from what no longer fits, and to begin building the life you're always meant to live. And yes, going from one place to another and not returning the same, it's not something to fear. It's simply proof of growth. And outgrowing people or places along the way, that's okay too. You're meant to build your own life until one day you finally meet your highest version.